Hello there. Sometimes in class I've had students just use this product, fantastic product, cleaner, hand cleaner, Gojo, as a hand soap. And truth be known, it's not really hand soap. If you want to clean your hands, the proper way to use Gojo is not wash your hands, get your hands all wet, and then, put some soap on and lather. The proper way to do it is to take, while your hands are still just dirty and dry, go and get a little bit of the Gojo product in your hand. It's kind of a sandy pumice. Get that all lathered around on all of your, and it loosens up all the dirt by itself. You want a good lather just with the Gojo by itself. And once you do that, and you have it all mixed up good by itself, then you rinse in the sink. And it comes right out. That's how it works.